Hello, Crazy Surfer here. As the first lines of Hurricane Larry appeared, I was up early and at it. This is my last wave of the morning, and this is my first at 6:15, really dark. This is my second, just a hair lighter, but still really dark. On this next wave, at the end, I really get annihilated. This next wave is a nice right. I kick out. And then I try to get back out because there's some big sets coming, and I slow-mo down my hair a-flying as I go over a wave. I think it's a neat little shot. This next wave was my last. A 4-foot spinner shark went right by me on my board, close enough we could look each other in the eye. So obviously my next wave was my last. A little slow motion, a little style. Not a bad wave to go to work on. My first wave of the afternoon after work was quick, so I slowed it down. This next left was the wave of the day. I screamed down the line for a long way and made all the sections. Very nice. So right after this wave, I took about a 20 wave set right on the head, hung in there, getting drugged backwards by my board, and this was my last wave of the day for Hurricane Larry. Not a bad day of surfing and a full day of work. So my claim is I was the first guy out and I got it on video. Anybody want to show me another video like it? I hope to see them soon. Crazy Surfer out.